This is an old version Honda ACC module. Now I'll show you how to replace the camera repair kit. First, unscrew the 4 screws. Disconnect the cable and take out the main board. Remove the 2 screws that fix the camera. This is the camera unit. Unscrew these 2 screws. Check if the screwdriver fits properly first. Improper size will lead to screw slipping. Loosen the screws gently. Then pry open the gap carefully with a screwdriver. Now start installing the new repair kit. Remove screws from the original camera and clean residual glue. Install the original screws onto the new kit. Fit white rubber rings, 2 pieces on each side. Note that the old model needs 4 gaskets, 2 for each bolt. Gaskets for different versions vary in thickness and cannot be mixed. Then mount the camera back in place. Do not tighten the screws fully at first. Just fasten them to prevent loosening. Peel off the thermal pad sticker and stick it in the center position. Reinstall the camera and fully tighten the screws. Put back the main board and reconnect the wiring. Let's connect the diagnostic tool to check fault codes. No errors indicating control unit damage or electronic failure are found. Minor codes only appear during bench tests and will clear after vehicle installation. The repair kit replacement is finished successfully.